Now next point, 6.4, kinetic energy. What is meant by kinetic energy? Only definition is given in your textbook. If the object having a mass m, if the object having a mass m and moving with a velocity v, then its kinetic energy is given by kinetic energy K is equal to half m into v dot v, or kinetic energy is equal to half m into v square. Okay, means if one of the object having a mass is m moving with a velocity v. Now suppose this is object having a mass m moving with a velocity v, then its a kinetic energy K is equal to half m v square, and the kinetic energy is the scalar quantity. The kinetic energy is a scalar quantity, and its a SI unit is same as that of work. Its SI unit is joule and symbolically represented as a J. The kinetic energy means if the one of the object having a mass m moving with a velocity v, then its kinetic energy K is half m v square, and it is a scalar quantity, and SI unit of kinetic energy is joule. Now we have to see example 6.4. Now example 6.4. What is the example 6.4? In an ballistic demonstration, a police officer fires a bullet of mass 50 gram with a speed 200 meter per second on soft plywood of thickness 2 centimeter. The bullet emerges with only 10% of its kinetic energy. What is the emergent speed of the bullet? Okay, first understand the question. Now what is the question? Now here is a one policeman. This policeman, okay, fires a bullet on a plywood. Now this is the plywood. One policeman fires a bullet on a plywood. The thickness of the plywood is 2 centimeter. The thickness of plywood is 2 centimeter. When the policeman fires a bullet on a plywood, after firing, the bullet can be emerges through this plywood and goes outside. When it goes outside also, it is having some velocity. We have to find out that velocity. Means what is the emergent speed or emergent velocity of the bullet? Means here is a policeman fires a bullet. In that case, the bullet having some velocity. That velocity we have said that initial velocity, and that initial velocity is 200 meter per second. When a policeman fires a bullet and the mass of the bullet is 50 gram with the initial speed of the bullet is 200 meter per second, when this bullet is striking on a plywood having a thickness 2 meters, when this bullet is striking on a plywood, after striking, the bullet can be goes outside of this plywood, and when it goes outside, its velocity is, we have to say that final velocity, and we have to find out that emerging velocity. That emerging velocity is nothing but a final velocity where bullet can be passed through this plywood. Whatever its kinetic energy is there, that kinetic energy is only 10% will be remaining. Means the final kinetic energy is 10% to that of initial kinetic energy. Now first write down a given data. See here, when policeman fires a bullet, the bullet can be fire, okay, after firing it can be reached to a plywood and it can be goes outside to that plywood. When it emerges to this plywood, we have to find out its speed. Now given that the mass of the bullet is 50 gram, you have to convert this gram, the mass of the bullet is 50 gram, the SI unit of mass is kg, therefore we have to convert this 50 gram into kg, therefore 50 and gram is converted into kg means 1 by 1000, okay, into 1 by 1000 kg. Okay, this is nothing but mass is equal to 1 by 1000 is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 3, therefore 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. The mass of the bullet is 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg, okay, and when the bullet is fired means the initial velocity of the bullet, the initial velocity of the bullet means that is v initial or vi is equal to 200 meter per second. When it reaches to a plywood and soft plywood of thickness 2 meter, the bullet emerges with a 10% of its kinetic energy, means we have some initial kinetic energy, okay, therefore the initial kinetic energy is, okay, what is the initial kinetic energy? Kinetic energy initial is half into mass into initial velocity square. Kinetic energy formula k is equal to half mv square, therefore initial kinetic energy is half mv initial square. We have to find out initial kinetic energy first. Half into mass of the bullet is 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg into initial velocity is 200 meter per second, 200 square, this is equal to, okay, 1 by 2 into 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 200 this square, that is 40,000. Now this 10 to the power of minus 3 and this 30 will be cancelled. Now 2 ones are 2. Now 50 into 20 is how much? 5 2s are 10 means 1000 joule, okay. Initial kinetic energy is 1000 joule. The initial kinetic energy is 1000 joule, okay. Now they can say that the bullet emerges with only 10% of its kinetic energy, okay. In that case, what is the emerging speed? Now when the bullet can be travels through this plywood, whatever its emerging speed is there, that emerging speed we have to say that vf. Now let the emerging speed means we have to suppose that the emerging speed of bullet is vf, okay. Therefore when the bullet is emerging through this, its velocity is vf, therefore its kinetic energy, okay, and its kinetic energy is we have to say that k final. Therefore k final, okay, k final is means when the bullet is emerging through this plywood, whatever its kinetic energy is there, that kinetic energy is 10% of its initial kinetic energy. Therefore k final is 10% of k initial, okay. This is the already given in the problem. Therefore final kinetic energy, what is the formula of final kinetic energy? Half m v final square is equal to 10% means 10 by 100 into what is the initial kinetic energy? Initial kinetic energy is 1000, therefore this is a 1000 joule. Now this 0 cancel, this 0 is cancel, therefore half m V final square is equal to 100 joule. We have to substitute mass and then we have to find out a final velocity square. Therefore, V final square is equal to 2. This 2, 1 by 2 from right hand side, 2 into 100 divided by whatever the mass is there, mass is in denominator. Therefore, V final square is equal to 2 into 100. Then what is the mass of the bullet? The mass of the bullet is 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3. That is 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Now this is equal to 2 into 100 divided by 50. This 10 to the power of minus 3, it is go from numerator to denominator. It is become a 10 to the power of 3. Now this 0 is cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 is nothing but 1000. Therefore, final velocity square is equal to 4000. Therefore, final velocity is equal to, taking square root on both sides, final velocity is equal to under root 4000. Therefore, final velocity is the under root 4000 value. You have to find out what is the under root 4000 value. Under root 4000 value is 63.2. This is a meter per second. Means when the bullet is emerging out from this plywood, its a speed, okay, its a speed is 63.2 meter per second. After its emerging also, its speed is 63.2 meter per second. Now first, if you can't understand, please listen here. When the policeman is fired a bullet on a plywood, okay, then the bullet is emerging, means goes outside to that of plywood, and after emerging also it is having a some velocity, and that velocity we have to say that Vf. In that case, they can say that the mass of the bullet is 50 gram and the initial velocity when the bullet is fired, its velocity is 20 meter per second. In that example, they can say that when the bullet is after emerging, whatever its kinetic energy is there, in that case this is the final kinetic energy is there. Whatever final kinetic energy is there, that final kinetic energy is 10% of its initial kinetic energy. Okay, therefore final kinetic energy is equal to 10% of initial kinetic energy. Okay, for that purpose we have to first find out the initial kinetic energy. Therefore here we have to find out the initial kinetic energy. Therefore initial kinetic energy is 1000 joule. Therefore final kinetic energy is 10% of 1000, means 100. Okay, therefore the final kinetic energy formula is half m V final square. We have to find out a V final. Therefore we have to put all that value, and the final velocity is 63.2 meter per second, means this is the emerging speed. Means after it emerges through this plywood, okay, the velocity of bullet is 63.2 meter per second.